I'm here at historic Blakeley State Park, Fort Blakeley. We're deep in the woods where we found some new discoveries, and we're working our way to a Confederate position, but before we get there, we got to go through the Union position. And with us here is Brian Derochet, and he's going to explain what we're looking at here, deep in the woods of Blakeley.
Yeah, you pan down this way, it comes up out of a swamp. The swamp feeds into the feature at the park known as the Beaver Pond. But on the other side would be Moore's Brigade of Andrews Division, and then Spicely's Brigade picks up right here and goes all the way out approximately to Cloverleaf Landing Road.
Okay, so this is
Second parallel.
this would be the second Union besieging parallel, correct? Is that a correct statement?
Yeah, that's right.
So if you look down, it's hard to see with the video, but these are pretty still well-defined breastworks, and that's one of the great things about Fort Blakeley. You guys that are into visiting Civil War forts, this place is very unique. I'm down in the would be the second parallel.
Yeah, it's
If you can,
well-defined too.
it's well-defined. I'm walking down. The Confederates would have been over there on the other side. Yeah. And we're just walking here. So this would have, around April 1st, well, actually it would have been after April 1st. Yeah. This is the second parallel, but they're easing their way closer and closer to the Confederate position at Fort Blakeley, which would be further to the east. Right. But this is it, and this is very few people have seen this, or at least not in a long time. So this is deep in the woods, the second Union parallel at historic Blakeley State Park, and we're on our way to find an even more interesting discovery.